Artificial intelligence is changing the world at lightning speed, from chatbots that write books to tools that can design entire websites in minutes. But here's the catch. Most of these tools, tutorials, and communities are in English. So, what happens if English is not your first language? Today, we'll explore the real challenges and, more importantly, how you can overcome them to ride the AI wave with confidence. Let's start with the struggles that many non-native English speakers face when dealing with AI tools. Number 1. Understanding AI terminology. Words like prompt engineering, fine-tuning, or large language model can feel like a new language on top of English. Number 2. Interpreting AI-generated responses. Sometimes the AI gives long, complex answers full of slang, idioms, or cultural references that are hard to follow. Number 3. Following tutorials. Most in-depth guides or courses are in English with technical jargon spoken quickly. Number 4. Fear of making mistakes. Many avoid using AI tools because they worry about grammar, spelling, or sounding wrong. And number 5. Missing out on opportunities. Language barriers can make you hesitate to join AI communities, ask questions, or showcase your work. If any of these sound familiar, you're not alone. And here's the good news. AI itself can be your best language coach. Let's turn these challenges into advantages. Here are 5 powerful ways to beat the language barrier and master AI. Tip 1. Use AI as a language assistant. Before asking an AI tool a complex question, tell it your language level and ask for a simple explanation. Example: explain prompt engineering in simple English for a beginner. You can even ask it to translate its answers into your first language. Tip 2. Practice prompting in your own words. Don't stress about writing the perfect English prompt. Write naturally, even in broken English, and ask the AI to polish it before running the final command. Tip 3. Translate tutorials in real time. Use free tools like Google Translate, DeepL, or AI transcription to turn English videos or articles into your language, then revisit the English version once you understand the concept. Tip 4. Join multilingual AI communities. Platforms like Reddit, Discord, or Facebook groups have AI learners sharing tips in many languages. You'll learn both tech and English at the same time. Tip 5. Learn AI vocabulary with flashcards. Make a list of 20 to 30 AI terms and use flashcard apps to memorize them. Once you know the key words, 80% of AI explanations will make sense. Remember, AI is for everyone, not just native English speakers. The more diverse voices we have in AI, the better the technology becomes. You don't need perfect English to be powerful with AI. You just need curiosity, persistence, and the right tools. So start experimenting, make mistakes, learn fast, and let AI be both your assistant and your English teacher. The future is multilingual, and you're already part of it.